Hey, Rico here with my Property Central Real Estate Group and eXp Realty. Today we are at 6840 89th Street in Osoyoos. Sierra Heights Building is the name of the complex. We're going to take a look at Unit 314, and it's top floor, south-facing, close to the beach. High school is right across the road, and so much more. And I can't wait to show you inside. 2-bedroom, 1 bathroom, lots to see. Nice big storage, laundry, in-suite laundry, your own water tank, and so much to list. Let's go take a look.
Check out the for price down below in the description, as it might change over the course of the listing. The first floor, main floor entrance has brand new floors, and they were just recently replaced, same as the stairwells, and the floors on the second and third will be replaced soon. As we walk into the unit, we have the laundry room, right, and storage, and then just a short hallway takes us into the bright living room and dining and kitchen area. Then we can walk down to the balcony and definitely see and admire the view. Nobody in front, lake just down the street. As we walk back, we're gonna go see the bedrooms. This is the second bedroom, and just beside it, the primary bedrooms. Decent sizes, well built, air conditioning, and fan. Check out the bathroom, full piece, beautiful. Would you like to live here? Leave me a comment.